I think this is just the beginning of something really revolutionary. Having a Gigabot here, we can introduce products in a matter of weeks versus a matter of months and work on the next one and then the next one. My name is Manalac. I am a Gigabot guru here at Mockett Co. Our design and our use for the Gigabot ranges from conceptual ideas, prototyping, final iterations to manufacturing. Rapid prototyping is basically having a concept and having it come to life right in front of you, ready to see, touch, and feel. Without 3D printing, it basically takes us 2 weeks or 3 weeks to give us a working prototype. With rapid prototyping, especially with the Gigabot, it's here in a matter of hours. A couple of hacks with our Gigabot. We set up a small webcam for remote desktop. Anytime during the day, even at night, everybody could log in and actually view the prints. Having built the Gigabot from kit and operating it, I think it revolutionized the way I thought about 3D printing. The reliability and the quality is just always there. We have aha moments every day. Our future vision is to have multiple 3D printers printing at once and have the part ready for our clients to be processed, finished, and ready to be shipped the same day.